Hey guys, today I wanted to show you one of our Azure hauls from, I think it was January. Got a little bit delayed in showing our videos because we've been doing so much nursery stuff, but I wanted to share all the stuff that we got. So starting off, oh, look at this. So we got 2 of these. We already ate one, and yeah, this is like the most amazing tasting cheese you will ever experience. It's raw medium cheddar and grass-fed, which is the most important, but look at that. It's big. I want to say it's like a 5-pound block, but I'm so excited to have it. We use for fondue, and I told Luca we were having like Switzerland night where we made cheese sauce and dipped fun stuff in like cauliflower. It's phenomenal. So we really have enjoyed that a lot. We also got their organic apple juice, which in my opinion is more like apple cider. Kind of drank a lot of it. To be honest, this was like the most amazing taste together. We bought this to make cranapple juice, and we might have to get some more because it was so good. We usually don't drink a lot of juice, but these together were so awesome. I highly recommend it. And we also got a package of blood oranges and Caracar oranges. Caracar is like a sweet, mild orange, which is just amazing. And the blood orange is such a unique flavor. It was almost like a fruity tropical orange. It was so good. I think I might have pictures or videos to show you guys. We did eat them all. I'm so sorry, but they were so good. We always love seasonal produce from Azure, and getting that, it's so fun. And then we also got a bag of their Yakin sweetened chocolate chips. I like to avoid sugar when I can. They are in my canister, so let me show you guys what those look like. They're kind of small, which is fun. They're really delicate, and love these. These have been so nice to get in bulk and save money. And then we also got a bag of coconut sugar that I use for a lot of sweeteners and natural sweeteners of all the stuff that I make from scratch, and that is in our canister that I think we used already. So you can see we go through our stuff pretty quickly because we make a lot of homemade scratch stuff. And I love it because Azure, if you don't know, they are a family-owned company, and you can get a lot of bulk natural foods every month. You order it, and then they bring the semi and have a drop location. You help unload it, and then everyone gets all their orders. I highly recommend you guys check out. We should have a link down below, and you guys can order for yourself. If you're not already, you should definitely do it. You guys will love it so much and be able to get a lot of high-quality foods that is so much cheaper. I think this cheese, we got 2 of them, was almost like $3.50 of like an 8-ounce bar of cheese that you would get in the store. That's what, like $5 to $10 now. It was like $3.50 priced out. So highly recommend. It's such a smart way to go, especially if you do a little planning and you can kind of figure out every month a little thing extra that you want to add to your pantry. So thank you guys so much. We appreciate you guys. Take care. Bye.